How to manage who can comment on your posts on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage who can comment on your post on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and click this one, see your profile, and then just select any post you want and click these three points and not here, sorry, go to a public post like this one and click these three points and click who can comment on your post and here you can manage it and then just click done, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.